Welcome to Sheik Math Academy. In this lesson, we are going to see CBSE Grade 12 Marks Exercise 5.2, question number 10. Look at the question. To prove that the greatest integer function defined by f of x between x is between 0 and 3 is not differentiable at x is equal to 1 and at x is equal to 3. Okay, f of x is x. Greatest integer function means 2.1, the greatest integer is 2. 1.9, the greatest integer is 1. That's all. The left hand side we have to see it. Now come here. Left hand side derivative. Now let us see at x is equal to 1. Left hand side derivative is limit h to 0. F of a minus h minus f of a divided by minus h. Here a is 1 minus h minus 1 divided by minus h. So what will happen? Cut. Minus h, no, before that, this 1 minus h, the greatest integer is 1 minus h means 1, because it is the greatest integer we are seeing. 1 minus h means h value, let it be 0.1, so what will be there? 1 minus h is 0.9. 0.9 means always we have to see the left hand side, 0 minus 1 divided by minus h. So 1 by h tends to 0, so it will be infinity. Okay, for right hand side derivative, copy down. For right hand side derivative, limit h to 0, f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h. 1 plus h minus 1 divided by h. So what will happen? 1 plus h is 1.1. For example, if it is h is 0.1. So 1 minus 1 by h, 0 by h is 0. H tends to 0, h tends to 0. Okay. So the left hand side is infinitive, right hand side is 0, so it is not defined. Left hand side is infinitive, right hand side is 0, so left hand side is not equal to right hand side, so it is not differentiable. Got it? LHT not equal to RHT, because infinitive is not equal to 0. Now let us see, instead of x is equal to 1, let it be x is equal to 2. Left hand side derivative, it will be 2 minus h, a is 2, 2 minus h will be, it will be 2. 2 minus h is 0.1, so 1.9. 1.9 means this will be 1. 2 minus h is 1, 1 minus 2, so minus 1 by h, so it will be minus 1 by 0, so it will be minus infinity. Okay. The previous here 0 minus yes, minus 1 minus h is okay. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 1, 1 by h is 1 by h. One by h, because minus minus will be cancelled. 1 by h, value will be, h is 0, so 1 by 0 is infinity. So for x is equal to 2, left hand side is infinity. For right hand side, same, 2 plus h minus 2, 2 minus 2, 0 by h, 0. Right hand side is 0. So same case, left hand side is infinity, right hand side is 0. So at x is equal to 2, it is not differentiable. Got it?